What's up, guys? This is Pedro from 3D Model Shop. Today I want to showcase some of our products. As you might see and know straight away, this is the Starship, the tanker, a rocket booster with a base and a connecting piece. The connecting piece will connect here on the engine and then go on the booster, so the pieces stay vertically without an issue. This is the new color scheme, the steel color scheme with a gold window for radiation. You can see the engines, the fins. Really nice construction here. All pieces were sanded, primed. One coat of prime and then the 2 coats of paint, most of them. I also have in a smaller scale 1/250 the same color scheme, but I have here a new booster design that Elon Musk said the booster will have similar legs to the Starship, so I made a roughly design here, and the booster stands on its own like that, which is pretty cool. And I also have a resin assembled kit here. It's already glued and sanded, so all you have to do is paint it and glue the engine on the back here. It's not much to do, just clip the resin sprues here and just add some glue and just glue the engine after you're done painting. This model is pretty accurate because very detailed because it's in resin. It's pretty nice. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I'll keep in touch and updating you guys with more models. Okay, thanks. Assembly 144. Here we go. Let's take the booster. We have the base, slide it in. The booster is now fixed in place vertically. We take the connecting piece, put it here on top. Next, guys, now that I have the connecting piece on the engine, I'm gonna put it on top of the booster here so you guys can see. There we go. And everything should remain in place vertically, like you can see here. There's a small gap here, but you can remove it by pressing even further down. Okay, and this thing, let me show you. Okay,